Hi, from Great Taste of Las Vegas, we're gonna make real crab ramen. Okay, this is miso bay. It's gonna be miso bay frozen ramen, and we have a can of crab meat, green onion here, and cilantro. Okay, so there are plenty of stuff to put in, but I will just put whatever I like in here. Especially the crab meat. So for the size of this big huge ramen, I want to put in around 3 cups of water, and then I'll turn the heater on and let it boil. I don't know if I'm going to eat all that ramen, so I'm going to just keep one back and keep this. So I put a cup in here, a cup of water in, just to cover that ramen, and then I will put in a microwave. Put it on for 2 minutes. Open this can of crab meat. I'm going to open it to see if it's fresh. Wow, we don't have to rinse it. There's no water in here. Very good crab meat. Oh, crab meat like that. Noodle look like it cooked itself already. See? All you do is drain the water out. This is a clean water, so just drain it out. Okay. The water boil now, so we're gonna make our miso. Okay, half cup. Put them right in here. Stir it in. So use this to make them smooth, so it turn into miso base right now. Okay, your miso base is ready. Okay, so what we put them in here is 4 tablespoons of oil in here. You can use butter too, but I like to use oil. And then now you're gonna taste it. Make sure they're good. This is beautiful. And when I taste it, I know that I need a tablespoon of vinegar. And I know I need a little sweet, so I put a tablespoon of maple syrup. So it's perfect now. That's what I like. Put the crab meat into a container. So we have our crab meat right here. A whole crab meat. So I will just need 1 stalk of green onion. And cilantro, I will need a cilantro as well, that much. And I'm going to eat some cabbage. You can use either green or red. So today I like some red for color. So I'm going to cut just this much for that bowl. Okay, and then I'm going to wash them. Put some salt in my hand. I'm going to rub the cabbage, the green onion, and the cilantro. Rub them and I wash them. And then I have a mushroom as well. So what I do, I chop it. So I will put them on top of my noodle. And I cut the mushroom. Now the soup is warm. I turn it on high. You can see it boil already. I'll add as much of the crab meat I want in there. I can pour that now over the soup. This is your miso crab noodle ramen to serve with lemon and a little bit bonito flake. Here your crab miso ramen. Bon appetit!